Yes, children. Let us now start with balancing in the acidic medium. So I have already told you about this. Let us revise once again. Okay? Balancing in acidic medium. I gave you the points that day. What are all the points? Say for example, Cr2O7 2 negative to Cr3 plus. Okay, now what is the oxidation state of Cr? It is 2x minus 14 is equal to minus 2. Therefore 2x is equal to 12 and x is equal to plus 6. So whenever you write the oxidation state, it is indicating for a single atom. Always it indicates for a single atom. You are not supposed to write plus 12 here. You have to write plus 6 only. Plus 6 into 2 is plus 12. You have to remember that, but you are not supposed to put plus 12 here. Okay. And here it is Cr3 plus. Now what is the first point? You have to balance all the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So other than oxygen, only Cr is left. It is 2 in number. So you will put 2 here as a coefficient. Then after the first step, the second step is to add electrons suitably. Now here plus 6 is getting reduced to plus 3. Reduction, is it not? Charge is reduced means reaction is reduction. Now reduction means gain of electrons. How many electrons? 6 को 3 बनने के लिए 3 हटाना पड़ेगा. But there are 2 chromium atoms, is it not? For each chromium it is 3. For 2 chromium it is 6. So your next step would be Cr2O7 2 negative plus 6 electron will give you 2 Cr3 plus. So your charge on Cr is balanced. Now this plus 6 is no more needed. Then next step is how many other oxygen atoms are there? Add that many water. How many ever oxygen atoms are there? Add that many water. Okay. So what I'm doing? I'm adding 7 water molecules. Now by adding 7, you are having now 14 H plus. 14 hydrogen, which has to be added in the form of H plus because you are balancing it in the acidic medium. Is that clear? So you will add H plus. Now your equation is balanced. Right? Now say for example, if you are having, now this is only one half reaction, that is reduction. Okay. Now if you want to mention a complete reaction, say I am giving you Fe2 plus, giving you Cr3 plus plus Fe3 plus. Right? Now here this you have already understood that this is reduction and Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. When the charge is increasing, it is oxidation. Now this is a complete reaction which is showing both oxidation and reduction. So what do you have to do? Individually you balance both the equations separately. Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. मतलब यहाँ like terms को इकट्ठा करके लिख दो. Now 2 plus and 3 plus. There is increase in oxidation state by 1 unit. So where will the electron come? The electron will come on this side. Remember, wherever there is greater charge, that side only electrons will come. Here it was plus 6 and here it is plus 3. So you added electrons to the reactant side. Now here 3 plus is greater than 2 plus. So the electron goes to product side. Okay, you have to remember this. Now how many electrons you added to balance the Cr2O7? You added 6. Now here how many you are adding? You are adding only 1. Now if you want to balance this equation, what do you have to do? You have to multiply this by 6. So you will have 6 Fe2 plus giving you 6 Fe3 plus plus 6 electron. And what was the previous one? It was 14 H plus plus Cr2O7 2 negative plus 6 electron will give you 2 Cr3 plus plus 7 H2O. Now add the two. 6 electron on the reactant side, 6 electron on the product side. What is the purpose of multiplying here? To eliminate the electrons when you add. So your final reaction would be 14H plus Cr2O7 2 negative plus 6 Fe2 plus, giving you 6 Fe3 plus 2 Cr3 plus 7 H2O. You will not forget the charge. Like that day also, some children, you showed me the reaction, but you forgot to put this 2 negative in the reaction. You should not forget to put that. Is that clear? And once you have added electron, after that you need not put the charge on Cr. It is no more necessary. Is that clear? So this is how you will balance a complete reaction. Now let me take one more. Say you have MnO4 minus plus SO3 2 negative, giving you SO4 2 negative plus Mn2 plus. Supposing this is the equation. Sorry. Say this is the equation. Now you can separately balance it. Now how do you balance? MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. First let us balance this, and then we will balance SO32 minus to SO42 minus. Now here it was plus 7. Both the sides Mn is only 1 in number, so you need not have to multiply, you need not have to add the coefficient. So your next step will be, this is plus 7, this is plus 2. There is greater charge this side, lesser charge this side. जिस साइड ज़्यादा चार्ज है उस साइड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डलेंगे. हाउ मेनी? 7 को 2 कैसे बनाओगे? 5 निकाल के. So 5 electron will come here. Now 4 oxygen atoms are there. So 4 water. 4 into 2 8. So 8 H plus. हो गया ये? Then SO3 2 negative becomes SO4 2 negative. First write the C sulfur is 1 each. It's already balanced. So S, what is the charge on it? It is plus 4. X minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Therefore X is equal to minus 2 plus 6, that is plus 4. And here it is plus 6. Again here X minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Therefore X is equal to minus 2 plus 8, that is equal to plus 6. So that is your first step. After that what you do? Here there are 3 oxygen atoms. Here there are 4 oxygen atoms. So to compensate the oxygen, you will add that many water. 4 oxygen है तो 1 oxygen की कमी है तो 1 water डाल दिया, because 1 water is having only 1 oxygen. Now here 2 hydrogen atoms have increased. So to compensate the hydrogen, you will add H plus here. Oh, I forgot to add electrons. This is plus 4, this is plus 6. So you will add 2 electrons. This should have been my first step. And then I have to add water and H plus. Okay, sorry. Right. Now here you have 2 electrons, and in the MnO4 minus reaction you are having 5 electrons. So how do you make it equal? So what you do, you multiply this by 2 and you multiply this by 5, so that the electrons become 10 and they will get eliminated. Now rewrite the equation. It is 2 into 8. So it will be 16H plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 10 electrons, giving you 2 Mn2 plus 8 H2O. And the second one would be 5 H2O plus 5 SO3 2 negative, giving you 5 SO4 2 negative plus 10 H plus 10 electron. Right? Now your 10 electron that will get eliminated. So what is your overall reaction now. Now here you are having 16H plus, here you are having 10H plus. So whichever is less उसको बड़े वाले नंबर से माइनस करो, तो जो बचा है वो उस साइड डालना है आपने. 16 is greater than 10, बचा आपका 6H plus. Then plus 2MnO4, nothing to cancel here. Then here you are having 5 water, here you are having 8 water. So 3 water will come on the product side. So let us write this 5SO3 2 negative, then 5SO4 2 negative. इसमें eliminate करने वाला कुछ भी नहीं है, plus 2Mn2 plus 10H plus की बारी, यहाँ पे 6H plus हो चुका है. Now this is 8, this is 5, so you are left with 3 water. There ends the atom. This is your final equation. Got it?